Hi friends, we are learning parts of speech. In parts of speech, the first part of speech is noun. The name given to any person, place, things, anything is given noun, and nouns are of five kinds. We discussed about it. That is proper noun, naming word, that is specific names of the persons, places, things, rivers, and all. It's called proper noun. For example, if Ram is proper noun, boy is common noun. If Ganges is proper noun, river is common noun. If Vishakhapatnam is proper noun, city is common noun. And so nouns are divided into five types: proper noun, common noun. Proper noun is the specific name given, and common noun is the name given in general to the same species is common noun. And third one is material noun. That is, what is material noun? We discussed about it. Anything, name given to something with which other things are made. For example, wood. This chair is made of wood. This bangle is made of glass or made of gold. That is material noun. And we discussed about collective noun. If same things are put together and they are given collectively a name, is collective noun. For example, if we say bunch of geese, flock of sheep, bouquet of flowers, and all this come under collective noun. And abstract noun, name given to something which we feel, which we experience or feel but we can't see, is abstract noun. Happiness, sorrow, misery, all these come under abstract nouns, and these are about nouns. But whenever we talk about a person, place, thing, is it necessary to use the same word again and again and again? Not required. For example, when we are talking about Ram, Ramesh is the person we are talking about. First time we can use the word proper noun Ramesh, and next time onwards, is it necessary to use Ramesh again and again and again? Ramesh is a lawyer and Ramesh is working here. Ramesh went to market. Is it necessary to use Ramesh again and again and again? Not needed. So we use, instead of noun, we use pronoun, that is he. Ramesh is a lawyer or advocate. He went out, we say. So the word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. And pronouns are also of different categories. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns I, we, and you. These are called personal pronouns. And first person personal pronouns, second person personal pronouns, and third person personal pronouns. We know about all these things. First person means when I am talking about myself, I use the word I. I am a doctor. It is my dress. And all this come under, this book is mine. So this type of words, the pronouns, are called first person pronouns. I, we. When I is singular form, we is in plural form. Then second person personal pronouns, when we are talking about the other person with whom we are talking. You are a doctor. You did a great job. This is your book. If we say that, that is second person. When two persons are talking about third person in his absence, then we call it as third person. He is a doctor. He is treating the patient. He, she, it, they, all these come under third person personal pronouns. It, and many reflexive pronouns. There are various kinds of pronouns. Whenever we do exercises, friends, whenever we do all exercises, we will come to know how they are used. Whether they are used as pronouns, whether they are used as subject or object. And we can come to as possessives. Sometimes pronouns are used as possessives. This is my book. If I say, my indicates possessive. My is possessive pronoun. In that way we have different. I myself did it, myself. Here myself is reflexive pronoun. In this way we have pronouns also. Then verb, action word is called verb. And we discussed about verb. Based on verb we have tense forms. And action word is not only action word. We have the words. There are some words are used as main verbs and sometimes used as auxiliary verbs. I told you, no, like I am a doctor, I am treating my patient. When you say that, I see the difference. I am a doctor, am indicates position, so am is verb. There it is used as verb. I am treating my patient. Treating is verb and am is auxiliary verb or this type of verbs which are used as main verbs and auxiliary verbs are called primary auxiliaries. And then we have another that is modal auxiliaries. Those are used only as helping verbs. When we see clouds, what do we expect? It may rain now, possibility. So this type of words. And some words denote even a tense also. I will come to your house tomorrow. Will is helping verb. So in that way we have modal auxiliaries also. This is all about verbs. And then adjectives. Adjective qualifies the noun. He is a clever student. Here, he is a student. Just we can say he is a student. Tells the position. He is a clever student. If we tell, it indicates the his. It indicates he is intelligent, clever, and all these qualify the noun. And adverb. Adverb is the word which qualifies the verb. He runs fast. How does he run? Fast. You are working slowly. How are you working? Slowly. And this type of words are called adverbs. Adverbs qualify the verbs. When adjective qualifies the noun, adverbs qualify the verb. And then adjective, adverb, and preposition. Preposition is linking words. Like, I kept my book on the table, on. I'm waiting for you, for all this. I'm sitting behind, I'm sitting in front of the temple or something. I'm standing in front of the temple. In front of is not in front of. This is phrasal ones. We can take small ones. I'm going to market too. Is preposition. We have such type of words called prepositions. And then after prepositions, conjunctions, linking words, joining words are called conjunctions. Ram and Gopal are good friends and joins both Ram and Gopal. Ram works hard, but Gopal doesn't work hard. Here, but is also joining two sentences together. Sometimes conjunction may join two words or two sentences together. That is about conjunctions and interjections. Interjection is the word which is used to express our sudden feeling. A loss. He lost. He was lost in the battle. A loss. So, wow, we won the match. Wow. This type of expression which are used to indicate our feelings, those are called interjections, sudden feelings or interjections. This is all about parts of speech. And if whenever you do plenty of examples, if we do, then we will have better understanding of all these things.